Alright, this is a baseball answer for Call of Duty. This is number 3 baseball answer. The question is, Call of Duty is $60. You have a coupon for 25%. Alright, so first we gotta find 10% of 60. So, the first thing you do is move this decimal over to make it $6. And that would be 10% of $60, which is $6. Okay? So, and right here for my thing, first I move the decimal over one spot to get 10%, to get $6, which is 10% of 60. Alright? So we move the decimal over. Alright. Second, I did $6 plus $6 because to get 20%, because you already know this is 10%, so you just need to add another 10%, which would be $12, which is 20%. Alright? So bottom line, finally I did $6, split $6 in half to get 3. Okay? So which is 5% of 60. So if you kind of have to do, you just gotta add $12 plus $3 to equal $15 off. $15 off, which is your answer up here.